Hi, I'm Taylor Schultze and I work for Savings Plus. As part of our retirement readiness recipe campaign, I'd like to share a smoothie recipe with you. Now I call this smoothie the Target Date Fund smoothie. And that is because the ingredients are well balanced and diversified, just like the investments in a Savings Plus Target Date Fund. So for this simple and healthy smoothie, you're gonna need 6 things. First thing is frozen mixed fruit. The second thing is chopped kale, super healthy. Third thing is a scoop of vanilla protein. The fourth thing is chia seed. Now put a little bit of chia seed in it and it will thicken up the smoothie. Fifth ingredient is your liquid. Now I use water, but if you want some more flavor, add any sort of juice or almond milk. Sixth thing is bring a little sweetness in and add some honey at the end. So, with your 6 ingredients, throw those into the blender. Press the magic button. The sound that the blender is making is the sound of your investments working for you. Once the blender is complete, pour the smoothie into a glass, and what you have here is a healthy, delicious, well-planned retirement. It tastes fantastic. Visit savingsplusnow.com for more information about our target date funds. Have a great day.